turn off the lights. Boys and girls, it's time to line up. Get out a pencil. If these phrases sound familiar, it's because they're examples of teacher talk, the everyday lingo we use in our classrooms to navigate the day. But what if we start thinking about our everyday language differently and use it as a powerful tool to expand our students' academic vocabularies? Why does the breadth of a student's vocabulary matter? Because vocabulary plays a fundamental role in a student's ability to comprehend what they read and hear, and to speak and write academically about what they're learning. And as teachers, we usually give lots of thought to how we explain concepts in our lessons. But too often, we don't give a second thought to the everyday language we use in our classrooms. And yet this everyday language, our teacher talk, is an incredibly powerful tool to teach academic words in meaningful contexts and with repeated exposures. So let's look at what elevating teacher talk sounds like. Instead of telling a student to simply turn off the lights, you regularly tell your students to dim the lights. Classroom helper, do me a favor. Go dim the lights. Thereby teaching them the word dim, in place of telling students to simply line up for recess. You might ask them to form two parallel lines. It's time to go to specials. Form two parallel lines. Let's go. Excellent, check. Are they parallel? Instead of informing students that the classroom is getting too loud, you might let them know that it's raucous or deafening in here. It is too raucous in here. I can't hear. Turn down the volume. Okay, keep going. And one of my favorites, instead of a simple compliment like good work, you might say, awesome effort. You made my heart so sore. Students love learning big words, and familiarity with big words equips them to comprehend what they read and hear and produce language that's rich in academic vocabulary. So try integrating academic vocabulary, big words, into your classroom routines and your daily comments. Students won't just begin to understand these words, they'll start using them. As always, we'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment. Share with us how you're elevating the teacher talk in your classroom. And if you found this tip helpful, share it with another teacher. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our future tips. And lastly, thank you for your good and indispensable work.